Hey, what is up, squad? We are back with some more Mrs. Green Apple. Blizzard is what we'll be checking out, the official audio, as well as the live performance. I'm really hyped because, dude, the songs so far you guys have been recommending have been fucking fire. They've been so peak, it's fucking insane. And yeah, cannot wait. If you guys want early and uncut reactions, make sure to check out the Patreon. And let's get right into it. Okay. Ooh. I really like the intro. Like, it's beautiful, it's fast, you know? Bro, the way he's just hums it, man, it's so good. Ooh, interesting transition, you know? But it works, and the way they have this cool, like, I guess effect on his voice is amazing too. The build up. Hey. Ooh. Damn, he's singing in such a high octave. Beautiful song. Hey. Damn. Ooh. Beautiful, beautiful sounds. I'm also hearing this. I don't know what sound effect they're doing in my right ear. Like, it just sounds like, I don't know, like something skidding or something. But dude, that was a beautiful part. Let's go back 10 a bit. Hey. Damn. Hey. Nice. Great instrumental bridge. This is very different from his other songs. Like from the songs that I've heard so far, it's very, very different. This one gives me more of a feeling of it reminds me of B First for some reason, this song. I'm not sure why. Like, I feel like this would be something B First would sing, right? Kinda reminds me of that. But I could see this in like a boys group band song, you know? Hey. Nice. Very interesting sound effects. Hey. Bro. Bro, it's crazy how high you can sing. And he keeps it consistent in that octave. Hey. Bro, that's crazy. Like, the way he keeps singing in that high octave constantly for like more than like 30 seconds is insane, man. And it sounds so in tune too. I love the way we're descending down here. It's great. Hey. Hey. Wait, this melody reminds me of a song. Dun, dun. I love it, it's chill. Okay, I know what part that. So that part of the song reminded me of what was it? Food Wars. I'm not sure if it was ending 1 or ending 2. I can't remember, but it kind of reminds me of that. It's a great song. All right, cool song. Like, I really enjoyed that. It was beautiful. Great vocals, like legit, bro. Those vocals are crazy, man. Damn, I'm hyped. All right, let's check out the live performance because, you know, live performances are always better. So curious to see how it is. This is live Noah. Okay, right into it. Bro, the live vocals are amazing, man. Hey. Damn. Amazing. I mean, there's already a difference. If you notice, like, his voice, it's a lot more, it's not as it's not the same as the official audio, right? I actually like it the live better. Like, you kind of get that clearer voice, right? And it just sounds great. Hey. Dude, the stadium is filled out, man. Bro, just sitting down, chilling. Bro, the way he keeps up that octave is insane. So that's kind of hard for me, man. Hey. Hey. Love the instrumentals though. Is bro gonna just sit there the whole performance? Okay. I thought he was like gonna get up at the hype moment or something, so yeah. I love the beat though. It's awesome. Hey. Yeah. Bro, crazy, man. The vocal prowess is just too insane, man. Damn. Let's go. I don't know, saying hi is hard, man. I love this part. This ending part is so good. It's catchy. Hey. It's a very chill song too. Hey. Damn. Very nice. Really good performance. Visually amazing as well, man. Alright, I love that song. That was a great song. It was very nice. Beautiful song. Beautifully sung. Like, just amazing vocals. Like, holy fuck. Love his vocals as always. And the fact that he can just, you know, constantly keep these octaves, these verses in these octaves is like insane to me, man. Like going, like, damn. I find it hard to keep it in tune, and I'm not really a singer, so yeah. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed that reaction. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, comment down below what songs I should check out next, and I'll catch you guys next time. Laters.